The reason I became an entrepreneur is because why not? Nobody told me I couldn't be an entrepreneur. And that's, I think, part of the thinking that's led to a bit of success, is that people can't tell you really what you can't do, and that's kind of the power to you to go do what you think you can. I'm Colin Roos. I am an entrepreneur. My company is Northern Ontario Robotic Solutions and Equipment, and we hope to make robotic solutions and technology accessible to smaller communities and just the general public, as opposed to working just in industry. So today we're here for the Let's Talk Science, STEM and Entrepreneurship event, and it's been a pleasure to be here today.
So in terms of science and technology, I'm sure many of you can guess, I do a lot of that every day as a student. I study engineering. And at work, I do a lot of that. We do math, we do science, we do computational engineering, we do computer science, we do everything, you name it. But an important part of that that's not mentioned enough is that business and entrepreneurship are actually part of the science and engineering.
To me, an entrepreneur really is somebody who's not afraid to take that leap of faith and step outside of what they already know, and what they know is certain, and basically jump into the void and see what goes on. So my 3 golden rules, I think, apply to more than just an entrepreneur. They apply to everybody. First of all, think outside. Forget the box. You're often constrained to thinking this idea that all ideas have to fit inside of a box, and I say throw the box away and just go with it. Second of all, what's the worst that could happen? Take that leap of faith and understand that being uncertain is awesome and empowering. And third of all is that science, technology, engineering, and math are really arts, and you need to treat them like that. There needs to stop being such a division between the two, because one can't exist without the other. So I really like that I'm not constrained to do something specific for the next 20 years. I like that I'm open to be able to explore wherever my dreams take me, whether it be tomorrow or 3 months down the road or 5 years down the road. And with that being said, I think that an important part of my future is going to be the changing evolution of this technology that's coming into our households, coming into our schools, coming into our personal lives, that is pulling information, pulling technology from the internet and around the world and making it more accessible for everybody and anybody to use. And that's going to be an important part to the future of my business, as well as the business of many other companies and the world itself. So as an entrepreneur, who is a young person, I love to see other young people who are engaged in this. And being here today, it's been awesome to see these students, first of all, identify their own problems in their everyday lives, and then try and work together to create solutions. And that is really what entrepreneurship is all about, is working together to create a solution. And that's been really fun for me to be here today and see that firsthand.